Hello, people. Very good afternoon. So we will start in another 5 minutes. Not 5 minutes. Let's wait for others. Let everyone come in. Okay. I hope you would have questions. Yes, Rehan, you have raised hand. You are unable to chat, and I don't think so. You can unmute yourself. So we are trying to figure out the chatting option. So wait for a while. Or maybe today we people just have to go without chatting also. Okay. So I'll go a little slowly in that case. I call you. All right. So I hope you people would have solved the questions. Just a moment. All right. So I think maybe for your raising hand for the people, those who have solved the question. Okay. First, one more thing. Let everyone lower your hand as of now. Let everyone lower your hand. Who have raised hand, Divya and Nahidul, lower your hand. Wherever you had gone to raise your hand, the same option will come there. Lower your hand, right? Okay. All right. So now once again, the same question to everyone uh, who had taken Pragati test, mock test of 21st June, dated 21st June. Who all had taken? Raise your hand so that I'll get the idea. Awesome. Super. Okay, cool. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we'll wait for a while. 17, 18, 19. Okay. All right, so far 20 people. Now, one more thing, people, those who are solving, people, those who are taking mock test, I think they will be good. They will have upper hand with respect to people, those who are not solving. So those who are not solving, I hope that's now this is the time you have to get serious or you have to think about. Because if you are attending class here, like even if you are attending here for 2 hours or whatever the number of hours you are attending, just to say that your effort should not go waste. So if you have, like, let's say, if anybody, like I always give this example, maybe people those who have joined us from from March onwards, they may know what example I'm gonna tell, or they can correlate the example which I'm gonna give. So let's say that you have started your goal is to lose your weight, right? Now when you have started doing exercise, So let's say you did exercise the first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day, but you're not seeing any result. Now eventually what happened, that maybe you are doing it for 30 days and you might be about to see the result, but then you thought that, okay, anyway, I'm not seeing result, and you have stopped it. Okay, because you don't know, maybe you are not checking it with right parameters. So maybe you are losing weight, but you are unable to get it to know to yourself that whether you're losing or not. So whatever the hard work you have done for 30 days, it will go into waste, or it will go into water. That's the idiom in Hindi. I don't know what it is, but yeah, the effort will be useless then. All right, because that's where you stop doing exercise and you start eating junk or something. I'm just giving an example, don't take it personally. Similarly with your exam also. So if you have decided that yes, I have to get into one of the top university, or let's say I have to get into Jain University with scholarship. So if you need scholarship, if you think that okay, if I need scholarship, you have to put effort. Nobody else on behalf of you will put the effort, because it's you who are getting scholarship. Moreover, if you will get scholarship, if you will be able to study from one of the top universities, then think about it, like maybe you will be able to make your home condition better. I'm again saying one example. Maybe you are the person who is taking your home financial situation to a next level. Maybe you are the one who's changing the entire financial situation of your home. So just think about it, what all things you have to do to reach to that goal. Okay, all right, so now let's start. Remaining people who have not raised hand, my message was to you specially, so please do it. So again, today we cannot chat, so it would be one side conversation. All right, and I will be going little slow. I would be going, I would be explaining it one or two times. Moreover, I'll not expect anything that you know it, because there are certain things which you might need to do it. Okay, one more thing. Now everyone lowers your hand. Everyone lowers your hand. Whoever had raised hand, lowers your hand. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. You people are understanding. Awesome. So why I'm saying this? Cool. Only three people. Now only two. Man Bahadur Thapa, can you lower your hand if it's possible? Okay. Now, why I'm saying this? Because in case if you don't understand any question, so let's make the, if you understand the question, show thumbs up. All right. If you understand the question, show thumbs up. If you don't understand the question, raise hand. So this is the code word we are using. Okay, Drishti. Fine. Let me lower my hand again. Okay, Drishti, you can lower your hand. I hope everybody got it. So if everybody understood, show me the hand. 1 minute. I'm sorry, people. So one more thing, people. So if you understand what emotion or reaction you will show, come on. Awesome. Only two people understood what I said then. Three. Okay, so you have to show thumbs up. Very good. Okay, if you have a doubt in the question, then what you will show? Great. Okay, so these are the two code words. We are using it. All right, super. So everyone who had raised hand now, lower it, and now I'm sharing the screen. Okay, lower your hand quickly, quickly. Lower your hand. You have to keep lower your hand, raise hand, lower hand, raise hand. You have to keep doing it. Okay, fine, people. So let's go it. let's do it now. So Abdul Karim and Hasim Ahmed, you have not lowered your hand. So please do that. Okay, so let's start with quantitative aptitude. Question number 1. I hope you can see the screen. Okay, I can also check on the YouTube. Okay, can you see the screen? Awesome. I can see few thumbs up. Oh, nice. So people, we live in like WhatsApp world where we know where to use thumbs up, where to raise hand and everything. Okay, so the first question, find the find the numerical value of C if the expression xy minus. Okay, so I am all right, people, I'm not getting annotate, so I'm unable to write. Okay, Ashish, are you there? If you are hearing me, people, give me a minute. People, give me a minute. I'm trying to figure out because I'm unable to write. If I'm unable to write, you cannot see that. Okay, so give me some time. So people, concerned person is not answering my call. So I'm just waiting. Please have patience. Thank you. Oh shit. Yeah, people, I was on mute. I'm extremely sorry. So yeah, I think now you can hear me. Extremely sorry for that. Okay. All right. So xy minus 3x plus 5y plus c. So this x I have taken common. So I wrote y minus 3. So now in any equation, this y minus 3 has to be common. So if I write y minus 3, this will become what? This entire thing will become xy minus 3x plus 5y, and this is minus 15. So c is equal to what? C is equal to minus 15. So your answer should be what? Minus 15. Do we have that option? Do we have that option? Yes. So that will be your answer. All right. I repeat. I repeat. So raised hand. You want me to repeat? So those who want me to repeat, raise hand. All right, all right. So I'll just go back to this is the equation, can be factorized as what? Find the numerical value of C. Look at the question first. Find the numerical value of C if the expression xy minus 3x plus 5y plus C. So this is what the question is. So now let's share the screen again. So this was my question. So this was the equation given to us, xy minus 3x plus 5y plus c. We need to find out the value of c. Now, this is again two variable, right? So that if I take these part, if I write this part, xy minus 3x, what is common? What common I see? I see x common. So this is y minus 3. So now forget about this plus 5y plus c. So if I have to bring y minus 3 here, let's say that if I'll write 5y minus 3, so can I say the equation, because y minus 3 I'm getting hint from this side. So if this is y minus 3, so other side also it has to be y minus 3 such that the roots of the equation will become x plus 5 and y minus 3. All right. So this y minus 3 has to be common. So I don't know what C is here. That's why I'm taking y minus 3 hint from this side. I repeat, I'm taking hint of y minus 3 from this side. So this will become xy minus 3y. Let me erase this. People, today we have to go little slow because concerned people are not answering, and we will see how we can utilize our time. Okay. What happened now? One minute, let me close this. Cancel. Can I write again? So let me close this, and again, let me reshare it. Okay, because some problem happened. Okay, I hope I would be able to write now. Xy minus 3y, 3x plus 5y plus c was the equation. Equal to 0 was not there. This is the equation. We need to find value of c. So if I see x common, this will become y minus 3 plus. Now I can see y here. So if I take something common, inside it has to be y minus 3. Now just solve this part. This will be what? Xy minus 3x plus 5y minus 15. Now compare it with this equation, xy minus 3x plus 5y plus c. So what value c you are getting it? What is the value of c you are getting? Value of c you are getting is 15, minus 15. So c is equal to minus 15. I hope that's clear now. Once again, how we are taking first, the moment you look at this part, you are getting x, y minus 3. Now, based on this y minus 3, the next part also, when you see 5, y minus 3 should come. So we do have 5y. So 5y is there, and just multiply minus 15. So you will get c is equal to 15. Fair enough? Okay, fine. I'll move to the next one. Fine. So try solving next question. Try this one. So people, just 2 more minutes. I was able to reach to the concerned person. So we will just wait for another 5 minutes, and I would be able to write it here itself so that you can see it. Okay, let's wait for another 1 to 3 minutes. Emmanuel, I will do it, and people just hold on. And yes, I am paying attention to YouTube chat also, so don't worry about that. Moreover, that's the only source of chatting today. Okay, so people on YouTube, please don't worry about it that I'm not paying attention to you people. I would be paying equal attention to each and every one. Fine. So correct. For this question, what's the answer? For this question, what would be the answer? X is less than 2, then which of the following statement is always true? So X is negative, but if you see, X can be positive also, like 1. If it is 1, it is positive. So the first one is omitted. 2x is greater than or equal to x. So 2x. Now, if x is equal to 0.5, 1 minute. Hey people, we are trying to figure out few things, so please be patient for a while. This is only for first day because it does happen at times, technical issues, something. So yeah. Oh, okay, Ashish, I'll leave for a while and then I'll log in again. All right, Ashish.
Sonal, please make me the host before you leave. Hi, Sonal. Hello, Sonal. Hello. Hello. Uh, Hello. Hi, everyone. I hope you can hear me. Okay, brilliant. So I think what I had done is I had changed some settings, and I think in between when you change the settings, they don't come into effect. Okay, so that could be the reason. So let's see if Sonal ma'am can join. Otherwise, the other option would be that I will have to, end the meeting once and then, start it again. But I will just let you know. Just wait for 2 minutes, please. Hi, Sonal. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Ashish, I can hear you, but still I
Can you?
cannot see that option. 1 minute, let me share the screen and then let me try.
Okay.
Yeah, I can see that. Fine. Thank you, Ashish.
You can share your screen, right? Okay. Okay,
Yeah, I
great.
shared the screen. I think it's visible.
Okay, brilliant. Yes, I can see your screen.
And I can use annotate also now.
Yes.
1 minute. Yeah, I can.
Just try.
Correct. Yeah, yeah, it is there.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah.
I
Please
tried.
continue. Sorry about
Yeah.
this because I had made some changes.
Nope.
That's why I think even the chat I have enabled for students. I think only probably if they maybe, log in and log off, they'll be able to see. But can you see my chat,
I think
guys?
chat is available, Ashish, now.
Okay. Okay. Great.
People, can you, yeah, people just try once if you can do, if you can chat. Or maybe it's only host and co-host can do it.
Uh, is it in the
Yeah.
security? I can allow participants to chat. So now I think people should be able to chat. Say hi, guys. Can you say hi?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I
Now we
think
can
we
get
can
the
see that.
chats.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
Brilliant. Okay. Great.
Okay. All right. Fine. Thank you, Ashish.
Yeah. Sure. No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. I'll make you the host and I'll leave. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Fine, people. So Zain Malik, I don't know what not listening. Okay, fine, people. The problem sorted out. Everything. Finally, hi Mercy. All right, James. Hello. So yeah, people. I think now the things are back to normal. Everything will go back normal. And now let me know if you are understanding or not. Will go smoothly. Okay. So coming back to this question, yeah. If x is less than 2, which of the following statement is always true? So x is negative, not necessary, because x can be equal to 1.5, because they haven't mentioned that x is an integer only. So this is not true, right? 2x is greater than or equal to x. If x is equal to 0.5, then 2x will be equal to what? 2x is equal to what? 1. 2x is greater than or equal to x. Now, if I take x is equal to minus 1, then 2 into minus 1 is not greater than minus 1. All right, it will become smaller. So hence, this is also incorrect. Now x square is greater than or equal to x. What do you think? X square is greater than or equal to x. Greater than. Let's take x is equal to 0.5. What will be x square? If 0.5, if you have taken x is equal to 0.5, what will be x square? 0.25. Now, is 2.5 greater than 0.5? Yes, no? No. So it means that even this is not correct. Hence, the answer is none of this. I hope that's clear now. Right? People on YouTube also, I hope you also understanding. Yeah, answer is D. I hope that's clear. Hi, Pranto. Okay, so let's move to the next one. If you're not understanding anything, let me know. We will go little easy. Okay, coming to this question. Fine. How about this question? Can you please option 2 again? Okay, after this question, KSD, I'll go to that question. All right. So one more thing, everybody is asking about Telegram. For a while, I don't know what's the reason, but yeah, for a while, Telegram link has been deactivated, and whatever the material you people have needed for PDF, everything will get uploaded on the website itself. So we'll let you know about that too very soon. Maybe in the next session, we'll let you know. All right. How about this? If x minus y is equal to 8, then which of the following must be true? Number only 3, only 4. So x minus y is equal to 8. Then which of the following must be true? Both x and y are positive. Necessary. If y is negative, then 2 it can give you 8. Like if 5y minus 3. If y is equal to minus, give you the answer 8. So only not correct. Now, if x is negative, y must be negative. If x is positive, y must be negative. Not necessary, because here only we proved. So this is also incorrect. Now, so these two options will go, right? So you're left with only this option. The first one, second, first only, second only, first and second, ruled out. So your answer will be what? Fourth one. Check fourth one. Check fourth one. If x is negative, y must be negative, right? Correct. If x is negative, let's say if it is minus y, then y has to be negative, so that and it has to be like minus 13. So minus 13, this will become what? Minus plus 13, and 13 minus 5 is 8, right? So yeah, answer is third only. Fine. So these are the questions which you have to use logic, right? There is no such proper thing. It's like direct way you can just do it. I hope that's clear. Let's move to the next one. So somebody had doubt in the previous question. I'll go to the previous question also once. KSD, I'll come to that question at the end. Okay, I will remember it. So don't worry about it. Fine. Let's move to the question number 4. How about this? What's the answer for this? Can you repeat once? Okay, let me go to the question number 3 then. Katina, it's like if I look at this question, x minus y is equal to 8. Now they're saying both x and y are positive. If I take x as 2 and y as 2, x as 10 and y as 2, it is giving me answer. But at the same time, if I take x as 5 and y as minus 3, it is still giving me 8. So x and y are positive, not necessary. Y can be positive or negative, right? So that's why this is not my answer. If x is positive, y must be negative. If x is positive, same thing, x is positive, y must be negative only, not necessary. Y can be positive also. So that's why this also eliminated. If x is negative, let's say minus 5. Now you need plus 8 as the answer. So in that case, this has to be minus. This has to be minus. Y has to be minus. Hence, this is your correct answer. The answer is only third one. Okay, I hope, Katina, it's clear. Or else just go through the recording once again. Fine. Let's move to the next one. Question number 4. Okay, this is fairly simple one. Everybody should get the answer. Quickly tell me the answer for this one. -2 is the answer. Correct. So what you need to do, you just have to substitute a. X minus a is a factor. It means that x is equal to a is a factor. So just substitute a. This is a cube minus a square plus a plus 2. Right? What it would be then? A cube minus a square plus a plus 2. So what should be your answer? I think I'm missing something. This is x also, a square x. So into a it will come, right? Let me use eraser here. This will be a cube minus a square into x is there. So into a. So which means that this will become 0 and a plus 2 equal to 0, which means that a is equal to -2. Hence, this is your answer. A is equal to -2. I hope that's clear to everyone, because you just have to substitute value of x is equal to a in the question and you will get the answer. All right, fine, people. This is good question. Try. I am assuming that you have already tried it. So what's the question? No, I don't understand. Lekoa. Just wherever x is there, you substitute a. Okay, and just to get the equation, you will get the answer. Option 3. Okay, do one thing. Whoever is not understanding any question, please go through video also. It is there on LiveTube. It's there on YouTube. You will understand it. Or else I'll come at the end. Okay, 1 minute. How many of you did not understand question number 4? Raise hand. How many of you did not understand question number 4? Question number 4, the previous one. Now nobody is raising hand. 10 people raised hand. Okay, okay. Fine. Let me go to question number 4. Can we go through that videos? Yes, you can anytime. Okay. Now take a very simple example. If the equation is given to you x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, and if you factorize it, you will get x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equal to 0. And when you solve this, you will get x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3, which means that you are getting x minus 3 and x minus 2, which means that you are getting x is equal to 3 and 2. So it's a quadratic equation. So 2 values are possible for this equation, and that values are 3 and 2. Now substitute 3 here. So x is equal to 3. So 3 square is 9. 9 minus 5 into 3, 15 plus 6. So 15, 9 minus 15 is what? Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. It means that x minus 3 is a factor of this equation, which means that x is equal to 3 will satisfy this equation. To whoever question number 4 was not clear, I hope this is clear. Now, similar way, if x minus a is a factor, it means that we will be using x is equal to a. So wherever x is there, we'll substitute a. So this will become what? A cube minus a square into a. X is there, so that x is equal to a. A square into a is a cube again, plus a. This is plus x is x, which is nothing but a, plus 2. And then we always equate equal to 0. So this will get cancelled. A plus 2 equal to 0, which means that a is equal to minus 2. I hope now it is clear. Okay. All right. Pushkar, please don't spam here. There is no Telegram link. I have already told you. All right. So the chat is not for spamming here. Please respect each and every one. Fine. Let's move to the next one then. This is me only who's doing that. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5, yes. People have understood the question and people have got the answer. Go with the correct. 20 and 25 is the answer. So first thing is, there were 500 seats in PVR placed in similar rows. After the reconstruction of the hall, the total number of seats became 450. The number of rows was reduced by 5, but each row contained 5 seats more than the earlier one. What is the total number of rows? Initially, it means that total number of seats should be 500. 30 into 15 is not 500. Option eliminated. 25 into 20, yes. 20 into 25, yes. 15 to 10. Now 50 into 10 is also 500. So out of these three, we have to choose. Now they're saying that when they are reducing 5 seats, now let's say these are rows and these are columns. So if I have X number of rows earlier and Y number of columns, the number of rows was reduced by 5. So this is X minus 5, and each row has been, but each row contained 5 seats more. So the number of seats, these are seats. So this will become Y plus 5. All right. So X into Y should give you 500, and this into this should give you 450. Check option, check option. Let's look at option number, this 25 and 20. So 25 into 20 is giving me 500, absolutely. But 25 minus 5 is 20, and 20 plus 5 is 25, which is giving me 500 again. Whereas I should get what? 450. I should get 450, but I'm getting 500. Hence, this is not my answer. I hope that's clear to everyone now. How I'm doing it, I'm going with the option. Now let me change the color. Now let's say another option is 20 and 25. If it is 20 into 25, it is equal to 500. Absolutely. Now if I reduce 5 to it, so this will become 15. 15 into Y plus 5, 25 plus 5 is 30. 15 into 30 should give you 450. It is giving you 450. Hence, this is your answer. So this is your answer, 20 and 25. Okay. I hope it is clear. Abdullah Ahmed, like whenever you are not understanding, yeah, answer in the website is 25 and 20 and we will correct it. But the correct answer is 20 and 25. All right. Okay. So, yes. I hope it is clear. Alhamdulillah, I cannot repeat again and again because of network. So that's why please go through the video. Just imagine there are like 130 students, and if each and every time if network of 1 or 2% will be keep on missing. So I cannot repeat again and again. It will be more like wastage of time. So I hope you understand what I'm saying and you will not feel bad about it and you will just go through it. How the solution goes, just to take the options. Okay, fine people, try this one. What's the answer for this one? Five is to 8. Correct. 5 is to 8 is the answer. Yes, Subigyan Mishra. 2 option. Yes, Aradhya. Now, this question can be done in a very easy way. Very easy way. I hope you people would have done in a similar way. Krishna owns several cows, some black and some white. He finds that 4 black cows and 3 white cows provide the same milk in 5 days. And 3 black cows and 5 white cows provide the in 4 days. So whatever the quantity was provided in 5 days, the same quantity is provided in 4 days. It means that it has to be multiple of 5 and this has to be multiple of 4. Okay, whatever the quantity of milk. whatever the quantity of milk, it has to be multiple of 5 and the other one has to be multiple of 4. So the first one has to be multiple of 5 and second one has to be multiple of 4. So this option eliminated. This option can be my answer. This option eliminated. This option eliminated. Hence, this is my answer. I hope that's clear. Yeah, same amount of milk in 5 days is same as the milk provided in 4 days. So we need to calculate the ratio of these two. What is the ratio of milk provided by black cow in a day to that by white cow? All right. So yeah, answer is 5:8. Okay, let's move to the next one. Theoretically, you can do NJ, 4 black cows, 3 black cows. So just add it and then it has to be 5. Yeah. Okay, because it has to be depend on the number of like days makes more sense here. Fine. I'll come back on this question if you have any doubt. As of now, let's move to the next one. Okay, how about this? How many of you are not understanding anything? Okay, how can you people quickly reply that whether you are understanding? If you are understanding, type U. If you are not understanding, type NU. Okay, Anusha is saying NU. Okay, I'll come back to question number 6. Leave that one. Wahab is saying NU. So Yash is saying no. Okay. Yes, you did not understand my question also. I asked you to type NU, but okay, people, I think you really have to go through these questions first. Fine, because this is a crash course. So in crash course, I cannot go with, so you need to pace up your speed. All right. I am trying my best to go slow, but I cannot go very, very slow also. Fine. Question number 6, I'll come back. Let's ignore question number 6 as of now. Fine. Coming to this question. Two cities P and Q are 60 kilometers apart. A college is to be built to serve 150 students in city P and 50 students in city Q. So this question is again orally you can do it, because they're saying if the total distance to be traveled by all 200 students to be as small as possible. So first of all, a college is to be built to serve 150 students in city P. Two cities P and Q are 60 kilometers apart, and college is to be built to serve 150 student in P and 50 students in city Q. 50 students, and these are 150 students. All right. If the total distance traveled by all 200 students is to be as small as possible, then the college should be built at what? Now, if you think there are 150 students, if 150 student travel any common, okay, let's say that CTP is one of the options. CTQ certainly not will not be your answer. Now 45 kilometer from CTP. If you say 45 kilometer from CTP, it's not making. If you take 45 kilometer from city P, it is this 50 students are traveling only 15 kilometer. It means that total distance is not reducing. Okay, thank you, Sandeep. So I repeat, if 15 kilometer is there, only 50 students are traveling less distance and 150 students are traveling more distance. It means that it is not small distance. So that's why this option will get eliminated. Now let's say 45 kilometer from city Q. 45 kilometer from city Q. So 45 into 50. What is this? 45 into 50. 45 into 50 is how much? 2250. And 40, these are 150 students traveling 15 kilometer. Traveling 15 kilometers. So 150 into 15 is 2250 again. So it is like everybody is traveling 2250. But if I say, if we built at city P, 50 students needs to travel 60 kilometer. 50 student needs to travel 60 kilometer. So 50 into 60 is how much? 3000. I think in that sense, 45 kilometers city from city Q should be your answer. Do people agree? City Q definitely will not be the answer because 150 into 60, it will be like 9,000 kilometers. So that option eliminated. All right. What does that mean? I did not understand for what question you asked, Yash. What does that mean? Try to understand the question. Why not P? 3,000 is lesser than 4,500. No, people, look at this one. Okay, correct. Because the summation of this will be 4,500, right. Total distance, right? If the total distance to be traveled. So here the total distance traveled is 4,500 meter. And this is 3,000 meter, correct. 2,250 plus 2,250 is 4,500. So yeah, this is 4,500, but here 50 student would be traveling only 60 kilometers. So this will be 3,000 only. So only this will be your answer. I repeat, let me clear all drawing. And let me use other color pen to whoever it is not clear. This is P, this is Q, 60 kilometer. 150 student and here 50 student. If the college was built at city P, they would be traveling 50 into 60. That is 3,000 meter. All right. CTQ directly option eliminated because 150 into 60 they have to travel, which is like 9,000 meter. So they are talking about small as possible, total distance. Like if I am walking 5 kilometer and other person is walking 5 kilometers, so total distance will be considered as 10 kilometer. So that total has to be smallest. So this is option not as of now. We will eliminate because 3,000 already we got lesser than that. Now, if I take 45 kilometer from P, so 150 student has to travel 45, and here 15 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 50 students have to travel. So 50 into 50 is 750, right? And this will be what? 15 into 45. So this will be, of course, more than 9,000, I guess, because more number of students are traveling 45 kilometer. So I will not say this also my possible answer. Now, if you take 45 kilometer from city Q, 45, and this will be 15. So 150 student traveling 50. This is 2250, and 50 student traveling 450. This is again 2250. Here you will get 6750. 150 into 45, you will get 6750. So 6750 plus 750 is again not less than 3,000. And this also 2250 plus 2250 is 4,500, which is again not lesser than 3,000. That's why your answer is CTP. Now, if I want to do it directly, I can directly eliminate these two options because I know the number will be larger. So I just solve this part because in this part also I know the direct part. 16 to 50, I know 3,000 meter. So if I have to solve this part, this question, I would be just going directly to this part. So here I got 2250, that is 4,500. So 3,000 is lesser than 4,500. Hence the answer is CTP. I hope that's clear. Can you people reply quickly once if it's clear? Yes, A is the answer, right? Okay, NJ, done. Crystal clear, awesome, Mercy. Fine, let's move to the next one. Okay, I will go from here. Fine. I would like to come back to this question a little later. As of now, let's look at this one. Question number 8 is easy question. but it's lengthy question, so we'll see it later. Maybe once. Okay, so people here who are new, I'm just okay. So people, those who are here are new, though we expect you to go through the videos, but I do understand that you don't have time for all that. And yes, you people are extremely busy. So here is one thing. What is relative speed? Relative speed, like when you have two speeds, we'll get relative speed. So now relative speed, it is in two directions, same direction and in opposite direction. Same direction and opposite direction. Okay. Uh, how many of you want me to give you idea about this relative speed quickly? We will just take 5 minutes. Okay. Only 10 people. 12. Fine. So yeah. Mhm. Fine. So I'll quickly tell you. When it is same speed, same direction, we subtract the speed, a minus b. Remember this. If it is in same direction, we subtract. If it is an opposite direction, we add. I repeat, if it is in same direction, we subtract. And if it is in opposite direction, we add. We add the speed. So now very simple one. Let's say two people are there. Distance between them is 100 kilometer. One is traveling at the speed of 20 kilometer per hour and other one is traveling at the speed of 30 kilometer per hour. Now they are moving in opposite direction. So when they will meet, time is equal to distance upon speed. I repeat, time is equal to distance upon speed. Now we have two speeds. That's why it has to be relative speed. Now we need to check. First of all, we need to calculate at what time are they meeting. When both of them are moving in opposite direction, so we need to find out at what time are they meeting. So time is equal to distance upon relative speed. Why relative speed? Because two speeds are there. Now distance is 100 kilometer. What happens when two people are moving in opposite direction? What happens in opposite direction? Their speed gets added. So 20 plus 30. So it means that 100 by 50, as this is in kilometer and this is also in kilometer per hour. So your answer will be 2 hours. If they are moving in same direction, then speed will get subtracted. 100 upon 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20 is 10. So 100 upon 10, it means that they would be taking 10 hours if they are moving in same direction. I hope it is clear. Okay, I'm erasing this part as of now, considering this is clear. Okay, so let me clear it. Fine. Now coming to this question, A and B start from the same point and in the same direction at 7 a.m. So same direction, two speed. It's subtraction or addition. Quickly type in. Subtraction or addition. It is subtraction because they are moving in same direction. Same direction. It is subtraction. Good. Now, what will be the total distance around a rectangular field of 400 by 300? 400 by 300. So what will be the total distance? What is the total distance? What you will get total distance? Can you type in what will be the total distance quickly? 1200? No, I think it is 1400, right? 400, 300, and then this was also 400, and then this is 300. So you will get 1400 kilometer, sorry, 1400 meter. Yeah, this is given in meter. So this will be 1.4 kilometer. All right. or let me take it as 1400 meter only. Now, what we need to calculate, how many times will they meet? Let's say, so time is equal to distance upon relative speed. What will be the relative speed? What will be the relative speed? Subtraction, you already got me right. So what should I write here? What should be the relative speed? One speed is 3 and another speed is 0.5. So 0.5 kilometer per hour. But here I changed it to meter. So what is the conversion of kilometer per hour to meter per second? What is the conversion of kilometer per hour to meter per second? Kilometer per hour to meter per second. You are moving from higher unit to smaller unit. The fraction should be smaller. 5 by 18. So this will become 0.5 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay. So let's solve this. Now this will be 1400 into 18 into 10 divided by 25. So 25 into 4 you will get. Okay. What is happening here? 5 by 18. Am I making any mistake here? I don't think so. If they continue to walk till 12:30 p.m. Oh, this is in seconds. Okay. People, in seconds, the answer will be very tedious. Ignore this part. In seconds, the answer will be very high. Ignore this part. Let it be in terms of hour only. This is simpler one. 14 by 5. This will get cancelled and this is 14 by 5. 14 by 5 will give you what? 2.8. So it means that from 7 o'clock, if they've started, listen to this carefully. 2.8, it means that 2 hours and if, okay, now this might go for a few people from above head, try to understand. 0.8 is equal to how many minutes? This is 2 hours. 0.8 is equal to how many minutes? Correct. 10 points, let's say 10 point is equal to 60 minutes. So 8 points will be equal to how many minutes? So you will get 48 minutes. So which means that they are meeting after how many hours? They are meeting after how many hours? After 2 hours 48 minutes. Okay, they are meeting after 2 hours 48 minutes. First time. So from 7 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. is how many hours? 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. is how many hours? 5 hours 30 minutes, right? So if this 2 hours 48 minutes has to extend, so if I say it like second time also, 2 hours, what is the double of 2 hours 48 minutes? What is the double of 2 hours 48 minutes? No. 2 hours 48 minute double is what? 5 hours 36 minutes. Correct. So if I add this 2 hour 48, it will give me 4 hours 96 minutes. Now out of this 96 minutes, again I'll take 4 hours plus 60 minutes plus 36 minutes. So which means that this is given 5 hours 36 minutes. All right. Now, one thing here, had the question been given instead of 12:30, if they would have given 12:45 here, instead of 12:30, if they would have given 12:45, then your answer would have been twice. Then the answer would have been twice. But as it is like 12 hours 30 minutes, So because of like just we are short of 6 minutes, that's why the answer will be what? Only once. Okay. It's once. Fine. So I hope it is clear. Very simple thing. What you need to do is whenever you have to calculate time, how many times they meet, it's basically we need to calculate uh, time they are taking to meet. So how to calculate time? Time is equal to total distance upon relative speed. RS stands for relative speed. So now relative speed is what? When same direction, it gets subtracted, and when opposite direction, it gets added. So here they are moving in same direction. So that's why it is 3 minus 2.5. You are getting 0.5. So 14 by 5 will give you 2 hours 48 minutes. 2.8 will be considered as 2 hours 48 minutes. So from 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. it is 5 hours 30 minutes. So in 5 hours 30 minutes they will be meeting only once. Had it been given 12:45, then that would have been twice. I hope that's clear. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Fine. Understood. Thank you. Okay, try this. This is fairly easy one. To whom it is not understanding, I request you to go to the video again and again. Rupees 9.75, right to. So basically, four different candles which can last for 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours burning respectively, and are lit in the room at the same instance and allowed to burn till the time 3 candles in the room get extinguished. So this candle will get extinguished in 2 hours. This candle will get extinguished in 3 hours, and this candle will get extinguished in 4 hours. So basically, in 4 hours, the candle is getting extinguished. So even this 5-hour candle will burn only for 4 hours. Agree? Because 3 candles will get completely extinguished by this. So overall, 2 plus 3, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. So basically 13 hours the candle will glow or candle will burn. And the rate is what? 0.75. So 13 into 0.75, your answer will be 9.75. Fine. Okay. So let's move to the next one. This was fairly simple. Anybody has doubted this in understanding of the question or something? Okay. So if first candle is burning for 2 hours, it will be what? 2 into 0.75. So this will give you 1.5 rupees, let's say. Okay. If second candle is burning 3 hours, so it will be 3 into 0.75, which will be 2.25 rupees. Now third candle is burning for 4 hours. So 4 into 0.75 will be 3 rupees. Now the fifth candle will not burn for 5 hours. The fifth candle will burn for, sorry, not fifth candle, fourth candle. Fourth candle will not burn for 5 hours. Fourth candle will burn only for 4 hours. Why? Because it is being mentioned same instant and allowed to burn till the time 3 candles in the room get extinguished. So once 3 candles get extinguished, the fourth one will also get finished, or like we need to blow it off. So 4 into 0.75, which is again 3 rupees. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8. 8, sorry, 3, 3, 6, 2, 8 plus 1, 9, 9.75 will be your answer. I hope it is clear now. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Fine. Try this one. 2 kilometer per hour is the answer. Okay. So this question was very direct. Two ladies simultaneously leave cities A and B connected by straight road and travels towards each other. The first lady travels 2 kilometer per hour faster than the other lady. Okay. The first one is the one lady is 2 kilometer per hour faster. It means the difference in their speed is nothing but 2 kilometer per hour. Right now, I would be going to little advanced level in this question, not advanced exactly. Can you tell me what will be the speeds of those two ladies? Can anyone tell me the speed of those two ladies? 6 and 4 and 8. 6 and 8. 6 and 4. Awesome. So fine. Now, what is the distance given to us? 24 kilometer, right? And we know that difference in their speed is what? 2 kilometer per hour. So what are the factors of 24? What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These are the factors, right? Now 1 and 24, if one is traveling with the speed of 1, so basically I need to look for the speed where the difference is of 2. So this is giving you difference 2, this is giving you difference 2, right? 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 6 is 2. So now if I say, let's say the speed of one is 4 kilometer per hour. So the speed of other one has to be what? 6 kilometer per hour, right? Now this person will take how many hours? This person will take how many hours? If somebody is walking with the speed of 4 kilometer per hour, will take how many hours to cover 24 kilometer? 6 hours, right? And if somebody is traveling at the speed of 6 kilometer per hour, 24 kilometers the speed, how many hours will that person be taking? 4 hours. But now they're saying one more condition, that 1 hour before the second lady reaches. It means that speed difference is equal to what? Speed difference is equal to 2 kilometer per hour. And similarly, the time difference has to be equal to what? 1 hour. But here the time difference is of 2 hours. Hence, this option is not working. I hope you understood. Now, I'll take 6 and 8 because 6 and 8 is again another option which the difference is of 2. So if I take 6 kilometer per hour and if I take 8 kilometer per hour, so this will take 4 hours and this will take 3 hours. So is the time difference 1? Awesome. Is the speed difference 2? Yes. Hence the speed will be what? 6 kilometer per hour and 8 kilometer per hour, right? I hope it is clear. Got it? Yes, Pammy. Joy, is that clear? Yes, you can see this class on YouTube. Yeah. Okay. So this was good question, I felt. Though if you just look at the question, it was easy, but if you just add one more condition to it, it is little interesting. Fine, let's move to the next one then. Okay. So this is not 605, this is 60%. Okay. Now try, give a try. $70, yes, Aradhya. Okay, people got the answer. Only one person had answered so far. Just take another few seconds and let's try that. Anybody else? Now so many people. Fair enough. Awesome. Yeah. If 605, that was not making any sense to the question, but if you make it as 60% of the employees, so let's say 100 employees are that, 60 employees are men and 40 employees are women. 40 are out of these. So out of the men, of these 40%, of these means what? Of men are drawing salary more than 50,000 per year. So 40% of 60. 40% of 60 is equal to what? 24. So 24 men are drawing a salary of more than 50,000. And if 36% of total employees are drawing more than salary of 50,000, so 24 plus some women should be equal to 36. So this W is equal to what? This W is equal to 12, right? Now 12 is what percent of 40? 12 is what percent of 40 that we need to calculate. So 12 is 30%. So 30% are withdrawing more than 50,000, right? So it means that this has to be what? Overall, they are asking women who are drawing. Women, what is the percentage of women who are drawing salary less than 50,000? So 30% are drawing more. So it means that 70% will be drawing less. So yeah, the answer is 70. No, Yash, you cannot expect such type of such type of mistakes in the session, in the exam, because that paper will go through proofreading many times. Okay, so don't worry about that. All right. Okay. So I hope that's clear to everyone. Is that clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. Done. Fine. So let's move to the next one. Okay. This is also cool question. $20. Yes, correct. Yes, Subigyan. So what is filled in a container? Am I not audible, people? 20 minutes is the answer. Yes, very good. Cool. So water is filled in a container in such a manner that its volume doubles after every 5 minutes. So if it is 1 liter, 1 liter will become 2 liter, 2 liter will become 4 liter, 4 liter will become 8 liter, 8 liter will become 16, 16 will become 32. For how many minutes? 30 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. These are minutes. So in, thank you, Mahela. So in 30 minutes, it's getting 32 liter. All right. Let's say in 30 minutes, it's getting 32 liter. Now, what's the 1/4? 1/4 of 30 is 8. 32 is 8. It means that it will take 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes is the answer. All right. Ahmed, there is no Telegram group as of now. So relax. All right. Once we will make it, we will again circulate it. All right. I hope this was easy. This was clear. This is clear. Okay. Fine. You know the answer for this also? Yes. Will we get such questions? So I don't know which difficult, because just now I started getting chat. My chat was hanged. So anyway. All right. 30 degree. Yeah. So supplement of an angle. Supplement of an angle is what? 180 degree minus x. That's supplement. Supplement of an angle is equal to 5 times the angle. So 180 is equal to 6x. X is equal to 30 degree. Yes, the answer is 30 degree. Cool. All right. I'm sorry, people, those who are on YouTube. I'm extremely sorry. My chat on YouTube got hanged. So I was thinking that nobody is replying, but I can see the replies now. Okay. All right. So that's complement, Pranto. Complement is 90 minus x. Complement angle is 90 minus x. Supplementary angle is 180 minus x. Fair enough? Okay. We'll move to the next one. All right. How many different regular polygons can be formed with the interior angle exceeding the, okay, we will do one thing. We will exclude this question, or we'll leave this question right now, because I wanted to discuss few questions on triangles and few questions on polygons also. But whereas you know this, I'll tell you, I hope you might know. Okay, so how many different regular polygons can be formed with interior angle exceeding the exterior angle? What is the sum of the interior angle? What is the sum of the interior angle? Does anybody know this? Sum of the interior angle. Do you know the formula? Anybody? No, it is n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is what? Number of sides. Okay. I don't know, whoever is raising hand, please let me know what you are trying to say, because anyway, now its chat is working. Gautam Kumar, ma'am, can you solve vector integration question? No, that's not a part of IND-SAT exam, Gautam. So if you are hearing from people this that vector or other questions will come, integration questions will come, that questions will not come. And if you're finding it easy, no problem. You can utilize your time somewhere else, Gautam. So sum of measure of each interior angle, measure of each interior angle is equal to what? N minus 2 into 180 degree divided by what? N. Okay, that's measure of each interior angle. Measure of each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree upon N. Okay, these are some formulas. Now, here, if you look at the question, how many different regular polygons can be formed with an interior angle, with the interior angle exceeding the exterior angle and the sum of the interior angle not exceeding 180 degrees. So I tried this question. It was like so many possibilities were there. Hence, my answer is none of this. But I'll try again, and I'll get back to you. But yeah, I gave enough time to this question. I did a lot of trial and error. So it is not 9 in the website. It is mentioned 9, but it is not 9. It is more than 9. I'll give you one example. Now, how many different regular polygons can be formed with the interior angle exceeding, okay, maybe I was taking it in a different way. Interior angle exceeding the exterior angle and the sum of the interior angles not exceeding 180 degree. Interior, how many regular polygons can be formed? Fine, people, I'll get back to you on this question, okay, in the next time. Mohammad Nahidul, as of now, just write down this. We will discuss this question in the next class. Okay, I understood that question in a different way. So I'll get back to you on this question. As of now, just go with this. I hope that's okay with you people. Is that okay? Is that okay, people? Yes, no? Okay, fine, thank you. All right. So there might be some easy way of solving this question. So let me figure it out. Though I had given enough time to this question, but fine, I'll do it. I'll try. I would like to try this again. Okay, next one. So next question. Any answer for this? None of these, right? Because the triangle is impossible. 1, 2, and 4. So if you draw in any way 1, 2, and 4, the triangle is impossible. 1 is to 2 is to 4. If you take 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and 4 centimeter, what is the condition? The condition says that what is the triangle condition? The addition of the two sides has to be greater than the other side. Do you remember this? Addition of two side has to be greater than the other side. So here that condition is not fulfilling, hence the answer is none of these. You take anything, if you take 2, 4, and 8, so 2 plus 4 is 6, which is not greater than or equal to 8. So that's why the answer is none of these. Fine. Okay. If it was possible, how we would do that? If it would have been possible, there would have been, yeah, altitude and other thing. I will come back to that. There is some relation, Anusha, between altitude and sites that I will discuss in the next class, because I want to discuss that with everyone. Okay, so very soon we will discuss that. Now in this question also, I feel something is wrong, because if they are saying the authorities of city B found the length of the road connecting it to city A is 40 and that to city B is C is 50. So one is 50 and other one is 40. So this is more than 40 plus 50, 90. It has to be more than 90. But these numbers were not correct. Like some wrong, something was wrong. If I look at it in this way, if one is 50 and other one is 40, so this has to be what? This has to be 30, right? But again, there is some mistake in this question also. Anybody got the answer for this one? The area enclosed by 3 roads. So if I look at the area, even if I'll take, let's say this is 40, this is 50, and if this is height, so I don't know this, and I don't know this also. Now, if you take 40 and 50, then you don't know if this is the height. So there will be two equations, like 1 by 2 into 40 into h will be equal to 150 by 39. And if you are taking this as 50 and other side as 40, so in that case, it will be 1 by 2 into h into 50 is equal to 150 by 39. All right. So the options were really bad. The thing is that if h is changing, so when we have to calculate third side, again, the things will be different. So that's why I think there is some mistake in this question. So as of now, ignore it. Okay, I literally tried a lot. Let me see with some more people and I'll get back to you on this. Okay. Fine, people. Sometimes what happens, like when a question is incorrect, like there was a question 605, where 605 people are there. So it took literally for me also, like what is 605? If 605, the question is really cannot be solved. Okay, so yeah. And it's okay to leave some of the question. I'm not saying, because I think some questions are like incorrect here. So we will figure it out. Okay, those who want to leave can leave. We will be continuing it. Question number 4, 17, 18. Even in exam, if any of the question where it is not making any sense to you, leave it. Though I don't think so that will happen. But yeah, if it is happening, ignore that question. In a scalene triangle, some of the sides A, B, C can be at most 13 units. At most 13. So how many triangles are possible? Max to max, it can be 13. It cannot be 14. So it means that A has to be greater than Baraka. I will go back on question number 15 as of now. Castillo, whenever you are finding some questions are so okay, we will talk about that. But first of all, take test of mock test, which is been available. Previous year mock test is been available on Pragati website only. You can download it. And once you download it, you will get you will be able to understand what is the level of the question being asked. Okay. So eventually after few mock test, you will be able to see that, because in the beginning we have to provide it hard, but that's okay. Don't demotivate yourselves. So 5 is the answer. Ayush and some other people were also saying. So not A. A has to be less than B plus C. So can A be 7? Can A be 7? And this has to be what? Because A plus B plus C has to be 13. So if A is 7, then B plus C has to be 6, which is impossible. So A cannot be 7. If A is 6, then B and C has to be what? B plus C can be 7. Agree? If A is 6, then B and C could be 7, right? Now, what are the possibilities of 7? Can I take 1, 6? Can I take 2, 5? Can I take 3, 4? Yeah. 1, 6, 3, 4, 2, 5. So 3 triangles we are getting here. Agree? Correct. Now, when A is equal to 5, we got 3 triangles here. Now, when A is equal to 5, so B plus C has to be what? B plus C has to be 8. So if it has to be 8, then what all possible combinations I'll get? 1, 7, 2, 6. Can I get 1, 7, 2, 6? Right? Okay, 1 minute, I'll come to this. 1, 7, 2, 6, and then 3, 4, 4, 4, and one more is what? 5, 3. Now this one, 7, 1, 5 will again be impossible, because if you see 5, 1, 7, if you add 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 is not greater than 7. So this case will get eliminated. Agree? Now, if I look at this case, 5, 2, 6, I have already added it here. So this is repetitive. So that's why here I will not add this. So 3 triangles here and 2 here. So that's why you're getting 5. Okay. 4 you cannot take, because again with 4, and now all the combinations will come. If you will take 4 here, this has to be what? This has to be 9. So then you need to look for the combination. So hence the answer is 5. I hope it is clear, people. What is scalene triangle? Scalene triangle is all the sides are unequal, but every isosceles triangle can also be considered as scalene triangle. Okay. If we consider that case, then I don't think so even 616 would be your answer. Let me check back. Let me get back to you on this. Is every isosceles a scalene triangle? Anusha, for this type of question, there is no shortcut, because there is no logic for it. Like you have to literally go for this logic only. But where there are some other question where the shortcuts will be there, I will definitely get into it. But in geometry, you know, it's all about formula, and formula doesn't give shortcut much. Fine. Okay, scalene triangle is the triangle which has all different sides. That's what I remember. You can check. You can also Google it, Nyambe. Google it. And let me know, like every square is a rectangle, but every rectangle is not a square, right? So similar way, maybe every scalene triangle, not every, some scalene triangle could be isosceles. Let me get back to you on this thing also. Fine. So this triangle thing we will cover anyway. We will cover in little deep. Okay. When you take A is equal to 4, B plus C has to be what? 9. All right. So if you take 9, what all possible combinations will be there? So 9, okay, let's take Sonam. Who's saying? Rehan, you saying. So A is equal to 4. So B and C has to be 9. So if it is 1, 8, 1, 8, 4 plus 1 is not greater than 8. So because of that, it will eliminate. If you take 2, 7, 4 plus 2, 6 is not greater than 7. So even that's why it is eliminated. Now if you take 3, 6. So 3, 6, 4 is already been added. All right. So the cases has been taken. It's just like getting repetitive now. All right, Rahan. Okay. All right, people. So yeah, how about this? A number n is divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4. Which of the following will not be an integer? So let's take a number. A number n is divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4. So let's take 18. 18 is divisible by 6 but not divisible by 4. Which of the following will not be an integer? 18 by 3 is an integer. 18 by 2 is an integer. 18 by 6 is an integer. 18 by 12 is not an integer. Yes, that's the answer. Correct. I hope this is clear to everyone. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll move to the next one. Fine. How about this? N square is a perfect cube, then which of the following statement is always true? N square is a perfect cube, then which of the following statements is always true? So n square, let's say 9 is 3 square, is a perfect cube. So which of the following is always true? I think this should be your answer, fourth one. N is odd, not necessary, because if I write 8 square, which is n can be even or odd, that doesn't matter, right? But if I look at this, if I interchange it, can I say n cube is a perfect square? Correct, Pami. If you take 8, then it will not work. Yeah, I just took 9, right? So n square is a perfect cube. So n cube will be a perfect square. It will remain same. So your answer is n cube is a perfect square. Fine. But they are saying answer is n cube. 1 minute. Let's check again. So I was thinking this should be the answer. N cube is a perfect square. So somebody was saying, let's take 8. But 1 minute, 1 minute. 8 square is, let's take any n value. Okay, ignore this. Let me clear our drawing. Let's take one value. N square is a perfect cube. So which square is a perfect cube? N square. Let me take 4 square. Take 8. Okay. 8 square is a perfect cube, right? 8 square is a perfect cube? 64, which is a cube of 4, right? Then which of the following is always true? 9 square is 81. One more is there. 9 cube, not 9 cube. 27 square is 729. And this is 9 cube. All right. This is 4 cube. This is 9 cube. Yeah. So n is odd, n is even, not necessary. So these two options got eliminated. N cube is a perfect square. N cube, 8 cube is a perfect square. No. 27 cube is a perfect square. No. Yeah. No. N is a perfect cube. Correct. This part will be a perfect cube. 8 is a perfect cube, 27 is a perfect cube. Yes, so the answer is this. I understood the question in a different way. Yeah, the answer is n is a perfect cube. Correct. Yes, James. Fine, people. I hope that's clear. Again, there is no shortcut for such type of question. You have to go with trial and error. Fine. Let's move to the next one. Is that okay? Is that clear? People on YouTube? I hope my voice is audible now. Okay, yes. All right, we'll move to the next one. All right, how about this? Five x plus 11y is a prime number, natural number, values of x and y. Then what is the minimum value of x and y? Again, this is trial and error. Is a prime number for natural number values of x and y. What values can you take? What will be the what I should say, cases? They're asking x plus y. That what is the minimum value of x plus y? Correct. 5, if I take x is equal to 2 and 11, so 5 into 2 and 11 into 3. Right. If I take x is equal to 1 and 11, x and y are two different numbers. So we have to take, if I take 1 and 2, so definitely 11 into 2 is 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, not working. Yeah, if I take 2 and 3, it is working. 5 into 2 is 10, 10 plus 33 is 43. So yeah, the minimum value is 5. X plus y we need to calculate. But yeah, there could be many cases also. So one more way I can do this question is x plus y is equal to 2. It means that x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. So 5 into 1 plus 11 into 1 is 16, not possible. X is, if I take x plus y is equal to 3. If I take x y equal to 3, it means that 1, 2 or 2, 1. So if I take 1, 2, this will be 5 into 1, 5 plus 22, 27. And if I take 5 into 2, 10 plus 11 is 21. It's not a prime number. So this gone. X plus y is 1, 3, 3, 1. And what else? 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2. All right. So just keep multiplying it by 5 and 11. 5 into 11, 5, 1, 11 into 3 is 33. 33 plus 5, 38, divisible by 2. 5 into 3, 15 plus 11, divisible by 26, divisible by 2 again. 5 into 2, 10. So it is all divisible. So these two gone. So it means that the leftover will be your answer. Elimination of options. Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. How many divisors of 10 to the power 5 end with a 0? 10 to the power 5. Anybody know this, how to solve? 10 to the power 5 could be written as 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5. Options are not correct, people, here. I'm so sure about it. Okay. Anybody know how to solve this? Because I have to go in little detail of this question. So do you want me to discuss or you don't want me to discuss? Discuss. Okay. So do you remember we have discussed factors in the previous session? In the previous session, we had discussed factors. 60 is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Do you remember this, people? Do you remember this? Now, I'm going to introduce another new thing to you people. It's simple only though. So 2 to the power 2, it means that 2 to the power 0 is there, 2 to the power 1 is there, 2 to the power 2 is there. 3 to the power 1, it means that 3 to the power 0 and 3 to the power 1. 2 to the power 0 is what? What is 2 to the power 0? What is 2 to the power 0? 1, correct. 3 to the power 0 is also 1. And 5 to the power 1 is again can be written as 5 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 1. Fine. So we have to go through the combination of this. When you go through the combination of this, you will get 60's factor. Like I'm just writing it. Factors of 60 are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. Had I missed anything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, right. Now, people, what I'm trying to tell you here is when 1 into 1 into 1, like from, let's say these are columns, all right? Let's say these are column. From every column, I have to take one number for sure. So if I take 1 into 1 into 1, I'll get 1. If I take 1 into 5, I'll get 5. Are you understanding? I have taken this, this, this. I got 1. If I take this, this, and this, I will get 5. All right. If I take this, this, and this, I'll get 3. Okay. So this is how it is working. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that 1, 2, 3, three numbers are there. 1, 2, two numbers are there, and here again 2 numbers. So 3 into 2 into 2 total is giving you 12 factor. How you're getting this? 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 1 into 5 is 5. 1 into 3 into 1 is 3. 1 into 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, this is how you get the combination. Did you get my point? Did you understand so far whatever I'm saying? Yeah. Now think about it. Very logical, and I'm 100% sure about you people that you will get the answer. If you have to find out any number divisible by 2, if you have to find out factors which are divisible by 2, which number you think that will not play any role? Which number you think will not play any role? If any number has to be divisible by 2, so can I say at least 1, 2 has to be there? Very good, Surjo. Awesome, Surjo. Long time. Good. So when we say divisible by 2, it means that 2 to the power 0 will not play any role. If we have to think about it, divisible by 3, 3 to the power 0 will not play any role. If we talk about divisible by 5, 5 to the power 0 will not play any role. Did you understand, people? Did you get my point? So let's look at this. If divisible by 2, 2 to the power 0 is not playing any role. This is not playing any role. So you have 1, 2, 2. Here both you have 2 into 2. So you are getting 8 factors. So let's say divisible by 2, 1, 2. Let me erase this. And let me again use green color pen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get it? Now let's try divisible by 3. If we talk about divisible by 3, 3 to the power 0 will not play any role. 3 to the power 0 will not play any role. Else every other number will play a role. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 3 into here 3 to the power 0 will not play any role. So we'll just take 1 into 2. So 3 into 1 into 2 is giving you 6. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I hope you got it. Yes. Now for divisible of 5 to the power 0, what should I write first? Tell me now. I'll use different color pen, orange color pen. For divisible by 5, I know that 5 to the power 0 will not play any role. So what should I write here? How many numbers from 2 part? 3 numbers. How many numbers from 3 part? 2. How many numbers from 5 part? Only 1. Awesome. 3 into 2 into 1. So it's giving you 6. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of you understood this? Got it? Yes. So a simple way I define it as like whichever we have to say, like if a number has to be divisible by 2, it means that 2 to the power 0 will not play any role. If the number has to be divisible by 10, it means that 2 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0 will not play any role because 2 into 5 is giving you 10. Agree? So in this, 2 to the power 5, 10 to the power 5 is nothing but 2 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 5, which means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to the power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, I'll get 5 numbers. And from here, I'll get 5 numbers. As the number should end with a 0, it means that it has to be multiple of 10. Multiple of 10 means what? 2 into 5. It means that 2 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0 will not play any role. I hope it is clear. And 5 to the power 0 will not play any role. X denotes not play any role. So hence your answer will be what? 5 into 5, which is not there in the option. But the correct answer is 25. 16. No, Rehan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 numbers are there total. Okay. Yes, Shivam, there is WhatsApp group, but no activities going on that WhatsApp group. Maxwell, I'll suggest go through the video again. I'm sure you will understand. Reduce the speed and then try. Okay. Fine, people. So simple. We had just maybe you don't know this factors thing. That's why. So for factors, go to the previous video, the video of 16th June. Classes are going on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. Okay. Fine. So I hope this one is clear, people. Answer is 25. Exact answer is 25. Options are not there. So I'm sure about this question. Answer is 25. Fine. So you can take screenshot or you can go through the video. I'll move to the next question now. All right. Let me move to the, shall I move to the next question? Last Saturday, there was no class. Last Saturday class got cancelled. Okay, fine. Okay, how about this? Okay, got the answer for this one? When a certain two-digit number is added to another two-digit number having the same digit in reverse order. So let's say, anybody answer for this? Your answer was 6. What's the right answer? 8 is the right answer. Okay. 4. All right, let's see. When a certain two-digit number is added to another two-digit number having the same digits in reverse order. So let's say if the number is xy. So this is like 10x plus y. And in reverse order, it will be yx, which means that 10y plus x. Did you understand this part, people? All of you got it? Now, what they're saying, when a certain two-digit number is added to another two-digit number having the same digit in reverse order, it means that these two got added. It means that this will become what? 11x plus y. All right. And the sum is a perfect square. It means that this entire thing is a perfect square. So why you added 10 there? Okay, so the thing is, if it is 63, the reverse will be what? 36. So this is at units place and this is at tens place. This is at units place and this is at tens place. So we will write 3 into 10. So that's why x is at tens place. That's why I multiplied by 10. I hope, sister, you understood this now. All right. Okay, no problem. So now it has to be perfect square. And now we know that 11 is a prime number. It means that x, to make this as perfect square, this has to be 11. Agree? Do you agree with this? This has to be perfect square. So we know that 11 is there and 11 is a prime number. It means that this x plus y also has to be 11. So now x plus y has to be 11. Look for the combination of 11. 6, 5, 5, 6. What else? 9, 2, 2, 9. Right? Then 6, 5, 5, 6, 9, 2, 2, 9. 3, 8, 8, 3. What else? 4, 7, 7, 4. I cannot take 1, 10. Right? So 2 is taken, 3 is taken, 4 is taken, 5 is taken. That's it. So how many by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So is 8 the answer? I think yes. Yeah. So hence you're getting 8 combinations. I completely understand, Mahela. I am getting your point. We'll do something about it. Okay. That's why we are keeping all these classes so that the things gets clear. Fine. And I do have the same feeling. Okay. So I hope this one is clear. This is clear. Yes or no? I think so. Yeah. All right. I deleted that. Fine. We'll just discuss. I will say this question, leave it for a while. And this question will never come to your exam. This is CAT level question. So you can ignore this. Okay. If you want me to tell the idea, I will tell the idea, but never ever in IND SAT exam, this question will come. Do you want me to tell you how to solve this? So far, I got 1 yes, 1 no. So I got again 2 yes, 2 no. Again, 1 more no. So now no is winning. Fine. Okay. I'll quickly tell you how to do it, but just listen from one ear. And so 1001 digit consists of 1007s. Okay. So 1007, it means that this is 777777777. How many times? 1001 times. Now, when this divided by, when this, that is n, divided by 1001, what is the remainder? So listen to this, listen to this. Okay, anyway, we are just left with two questions. So let me do this finish. Let me finish this quickly. Yes, 700 is the answer. 6 sevens, 777777 is equal to 6 sevens is equal to nothing but 777 into 1001. Now another set of 6 sevens, another set of 6 sevens will be 7770000, one more zero, I guess, 4030307777 into 1001. So every 6 sevens is divisible by 1001. All right. Is that clear so far? Yes, Vivek Chaudhary, that's the answer. Every 6 sevens is divisible by 1007. So how many sevens we have? We have 1007. So 1001 divide by 7. No, not divide by 7. Divide by 6. So we will get remainder as 5. Check. 1001 divide by 6. Tell me the remainder. Now I'm not doing it. You know how to do it. Tell me the remainder quickly. What is the remainder you will get? When 1001 divided by 6, what remainder you will get? Come on, come on, come on. 5 is the remainder. It means that at last we need to divide this 5 sevens by 1001. All right, this 5 sevens by 1001, you will get some 77 in 700 by 1001. So 700 would be your answer. All right, just divide this manually. Don't use calculator. 1001 into 7 will give you this something, and you will get the answer. So I'm leaving it right now. I'm not leaving you in halfway through. But yeah, this is not the question to be solved in the exam. If you're getting it, better learn the answer. Okay. All right. Hey Aditya, how are you doing? Fine. So this question, try to understand. Just look at the solution. You will understand it. It's like 100 number, 1 to 100. It's always like, I will go through the solution. You will understand it. So whatever the sign is between two consecutive integer from 1 to 100, it will always be odd. Therefore, we are getting 50 set of odd number. Why? Because it is like 100 odd number. So 50 odd number, it means that whatever we calculation do among 50, the result will be even. This is like practical one. Again, this is general approach question. Okay, higher order thinking skill. So A will always win. Fine. I tried this question with 10 number, but that logic was not fitting. So that logic works only with 100 numbers. So as of now, you just can go ahead with this logic. So I want to do one last question. Correct, Ayush. I remember that. Question number 9, I guess it was. No, 10, no, 8. I guess it was 8. Okay. This is one last question, and then you people carry on. Okay. Just read it, give a try, take 1 minute, and then we'll catch up. Fine. Cannot be determined. 12 cannot be 9. Penny, yeah. So let's discuss. When ACP Rathod was going to Wahed from New Delhi to arrest Mirchi Set, he observed few surprising things through his rear view mirror. In the nth hour, he saw inscribed on a milestone New Delhi XY kilometer, where X and Y are tens and units place. Just now we discussed that. And in n plus 1th hour, in the next hour, he saw inscribed on a milestone YX. So the digit has the digit got the digit got reversed. All right. So now where X and Y are representing the same digit, what is the speed of ACP Rathod? So if you take 1, 2, the next time it is what? 2 and 1. So what distance he is traveling? What distance is traveling? 1, 2, 2, 1. He is traveling what distance? Correct. I'm coming to this. 1, 2, 2, 1. What distance is it traveling? 12 and 21. I think 9. 9 kilometer is traveling, right? In how many hours? In 1 hour. Right? If I take 2, 3 and 3, 2, let's not take 2, 3 and 3, 2. 2, 3 and 3, 2. Again, this is like 9 kilometer in 1 hour. If it is 3, 4 and 4, 3, again it is 9 kilometer in 1 hour. Fine. All of you got it? So you are getting 999. Right. What is the answer? Answer should be cannot be determined actually. 1 minute, because I just now got one more. Okay. Now, if I take 1 minute, 05005, 05 will not be considered as 2-digit number, Dipesh. Okay, 05 is considered as 1 digit. Now, if I take 1, 3 and 3, 1, what the distance you're getting? 18 kilometer. So in that case, your answer, your speed will become what? 18 kilometer per hour. If you take 2, 4 and 4, 2, again you will get 18 kilometer. So this is again 18 kilometer per hour. All right. There is one more logic to it. If I take a difference of 1, 3, this is like, I'm just telling you one more way. I didn't think other way. Now I got it. Yeah, one more thing. One more way, people. Had the option been given 27 or something, see one more thing. What is the difference here between 1 and 2? 1. So 9 into 1. What is the difference here between, what is the difference here between 1 and 3? 2. So 9 into 2. If it is 1, 4 and 4, 1, right? You will get difference as 27. How I got to know directly? Because 1, 4, the difference is 3. So 41 minus 14 will give me 9 into 3. If I take 1, 5 and 5, 1, I'll say the difference will be 9 into 4. Why? Because the difference between two digit is 4. So if you take 2, 7 and 7, 2, directly you can say that it's a multiple of 9. 7 minus 2 is 5, 9 into 5. So the difference between them is 45 kilometer. Did you get my point? So here the answer is cannot be determined. But I think answer was mentioned as 9 kilometer per hour. Yeah, answer has to be cannot be determined. Okay. All right. Awesome, sister. Cool. Super. So people, one thing is, like I will say, if you are finding any difficult in any of the topic, go through the PDF. We will upload it. I'll just check with Ashish quickly. And in the question tense was mentioned, last question 25. Last question 25, Ayush, just go with that, the solution. Okay, that's a logical question. Fine, Ayush. So there is was question number 6. Question number 6. I will get back to you on this question because even I understood it as number of days and 4 days, but they are talking about black cow and white cow. So I'll get back to you on this question. Fine. All right. So I hope other things are clear. Okay. So next weekend, like on Saturday, we will be doing verbal part of the same thing. And if we get time, we will be solving some questions. All right. Let me see how it goes. How did you like today's session? Was it useful? I do understand that there were like a lot of errors in the question, which confuses you a lot. I completely get that. But yeah, anyway, don't like these things are not gonna happen in the main exam, that's for sure. Okay, thank you. All right, okay, Pammy. Fine, people. Can you in the okay, it will be of medium level. I don't think so the question will go higher than this. All right, and moreover, I will tell you also that don't go for any higher question also, because this is not the time to go for higher level of questions. Because if you will go for higher level of questions, anyway, that is not a part of SII. Okay, sometimes in some C, people try to understand one thing here. I'm telling you one very fact to make you understand this. Okay, so try to understand that like you are the one who's providing mock tests. Agree with me? You are the one, everyone who is here is providing the mock test. Like you are the one who's providing mock test and I am the one who's taking mock test. Fine. Now then there is a person X who has to prepare SII paper. Are you getting my context? Are you getting my situation? What I'm trying to tell you? Two people are there. You want me to draw something? I'll draw. I'm very good in drawing. So there are two people, you and X. You are conducting mock tests. And this person is conducting Pragati paper. So how many paper this person has to make? How many paper this person has to make? X. One, or let's say maximum two. Maximum two. Fine. How many this papers this person has to make? Mock test. Let's say that two tests you are getting every week. Cannot be determined, right? I'm just saying cannot be determined. So let's say 20 papers. Fine, 20 mock tests, a lot. Now, if in every mock test you are just getting all easy questions, if in every mock test you will just get all easy questions, you have taken first mock test, second mock test, third mock test, will you be taking fourth mock test then? Is it gonna challenge you? It's not gonna challenge, right? Okay, so I'm sharing very honest. I don't think so that I'm not sure whether I was supposed to share this with you people or not, but actually and very really I want to help you people, and I want to help you with your psychology. That's why I am telling you a very fact which is like I should not have disclosed it, but as we do care about you people, so that's the reason there will be some easy question, there will be some tough questions in the mock test. Did you get my point? Oh my God, nobody got my point. Okay, so that's the reason there will be some, mock test will always be like mix and match. Okay, but when you will take mock test, like what mock test I'm talking about, the one which is being conducted by Pragati people. So Pragati people will be conducting mock test. There you will get actual thing. Now, before that, you have already solved mock test. See, one thing, people, like every question gives with a new concept. It's not only about question. Sometimes the difficult questions are also like giving you some concept. And that small concept may be a useful, like one question we have seen just now, 1 3 3 1. 1441. So now you got to know that it is like how you have to solve, right? I just told you that this is 9. The difference will be what? 9 into 2. Here the difference will be what? 9 into 3. If you take 1661, the difference will be what? 9 into 7. So we learned something new. Similarly, when divisor question was there, we learned something new. So every time the questions are difficult, that's okay. But focus on learning. All right. So try to understand the context. Okay. And I'm sure if you people are doing seriously, if you people are doing all the questions absolutely seriously, then what Ashish says that yes, you people will be one of the top 100. Okay. See, one more thing. I'm telling out of my heart, people, again, because I do keep saying I'm a very generous person, though you haven't met me, though I don't look like generous, but I am very generous person. And I always think in the interest of students. So like when I was solving this question, even I was feeling the same thing. Had I been at a student place, what would have been my thoughts? This question will not come in exam. Why they have given in mock test? What is this? What is this? But then again, at the same time, I tried to think in another point of view that, okay, what could be the reason that they are giving us such a difficult question? Their intention may not be bad. Of course, their intentions are not bad. Their intention is to help us, and that's why you see from March onwards they are providing free classes. But like few people have joined very recently, but you see from the beginning people have joined and they have got benefited by it. Okay. So sister, you have to ask this question when there will be a session from Jain University people. One of the, like Komal ma'am will come and she will answer your all this. Okay. So showing I am not on social media. I'm a person who is not into any of this. Thank you, Anupa. Anupa was my old student. Okay. So good, Mahela. My sessions are always like people keep talking about this positive vibes. Thank you. I don't know, but yeah, many people keep talking about this, that whenever I talk, it's all about positive vibes you create. It's about like how you look at it. Okay. Very well said. Difficult things aren't easy, but they are worth it. Very good, Anjay. Okay. And keep practicing. Write down your goals. One more thing I have told to old students, and as like new students are also here, I would like to tell you, keep your goals written in front of you. So that like when you're sleeping awake, or like whenever you're getting up, when you're eating, that goal is popping up in your mind and that goal is firing you up to achieve it. So in case if you don't want to solve, then you go and just look at your goal and you're like, oh wow, I can see that now, I have to achieve my goal. So you will again come into that, what action you will come into, you will take a necessary action to achieve your goal. Fine. Okay, so fine people, I'll provide you my email ID. DOUBTS doubts. Oh my God. But Taku Swa, I haven't seen your name earlier, but if you are saying this, thank you so much. Doubts for Sonal at the rate gmail.com. This is my email ID, people. So you can email, but even my day is also packed. So I will reply to your query when I do have time. Okay. Most of the time, I do try to solve your queries, but yeah, my schedule is quite packed. But still, as soon as I get time, I do solve your queries. Okay, there are still queries. So imagine like I am the one who's solving and there are like 150 students who are sending queries. So then it becomes little difficult. So it's not possible. I'm not a person who is working in a customer care and can provide you a answer within 24 hours. But yeah, I will try my best to provide it as early as possible. Fine. Okay. So keep taking action, people. This is the real time now. And yeah, just do it, show it to your people. And not only show it, I will say showing is like egoness, or like you are showing some ego about it. The only thing is that you are helping yourself and you are helping your family also. Like I said in the beginning of the session, be the one to change the financial situation of your class, sorry, of your family. Okay. Thank you, people. So we'll see you again on Saturday. And before that, Thursday, you have verbal session. All right. Okay. So take care. Bye-bye, Rinchen. Bye, Mercy, Anupa. Thank you, NJ. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, people. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your blessings. And I wish the same for you. Okay, I'm ending the meeting. Bye-bye, all.